everyone, and welcome to our course on body language. I'm so super excited to have you guys here. Have you ever wondered why some people just seem to have that it factor? Why do they command attention without saying a word? Well, a big part of it is their body language. Body language is a silent language we all speak. It's how we communicate through our posture, facial expressions, gestures, and eye contact. Pretty much everything except our words. And guess what? It often says more than the words we actually use. Think about it. If you see someone with their arms crossed and a frown on their face, you're probably not going to think they're having a great day. Isn't it so? Even if they tell them that they're fine, our body language often gives away our true feelings, whether we want it to or not. Why should you care about our body language? Well, here is the thing. It's not just about reading other people's cues. It's also about mastering your own. By understanding and controlling your body language, you can actually build stronger relationships. People are naturally drawn to those who seem confident and open. Ace job interviews. Employers look for candidates who project confidence and competence. Improve your dating life. Let's be honest, guys. Attraction is about more than just mere words. Become a better communicator. Body language is a powerful tool that can help you get your message across more effectively. Over the next few lectures, we dive deep into the different aspects of body language. We cover everything from facial expressions to posture to the subtle signals you might not even realize you're sending. By the end of this course, you will be a body language pro, able to read people like a book and project the image you want to the world. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to get started on this journey. See you guys in the next lecture.